All right, guys, quick little tip here for putting your rear window in. This is something I came up with. I don't know if anybody else does it this way or not, but this is something I come up with that really helps. So just a quick little tip. Get yourself a ballpoint pen, take all the guts out. You can see I ran one end of the string through the end of this, and this is how you feed this in to your window. I'll try to do this one-handed, but I'm not so sure how that's going to work. And basically you just stick it in there, and once you get it started, just slide it along, and that is going to put your string exactly where you need it on the inside of this. Now I make this plenty long enough so I can loop it twice. Some people loop it once. I like a backup. And then I just got a little piece of PVC here, and I just put a little piece of sandpaper, sticky sandpaper on it for grip. That way I can grab onto this and you have something to pull when you pull your string out and get your window in. You can do your own windows by yourself. You don't need multiple guys if you do it this way. Now I lube the seal on the car. Some people can like to use WD-40. Some people like to use dish soap, and I'm a dish soap guy. So I just put a little on my fingers, and I'll just put it along this edge right here. Don't go crazy with it. Just get it nice and lubed up, and stick it in. Get it centered where you want it. Tap it in a little bit. It'll start to go, and then I start on the bottom, and I start pulling and tapping at the same time. So you can do this by yourself by reaching through. If you don't have your windows in, you can reach in here, grab the string, and then tap on the glass as you pull. If you want to keep tapping on that glass to keep it, seating in the glass or in the rubber here in the groove. Otherwise, it won't seat right. And as you do that, you just pull your string, and it'll pull this all the way around, and it'll pull this welt out right over top. Once you get one loop around, if you have a spot that was kind of troublesome, that's why I loop it twice, and then I pull that second part around to get that out of there just in case. So again, it's just a ballpoint pen, hollowed out. I like the ones with the metal tip. And this string is for it's the heavy duty string they use for like doing cement work. It's really strong nylon string. It won't break. You can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever. That's what I like to use. Some people like to use fatter cord. I don't like the fat cord. It seems to get bunched up. But anyway, I hope this helps somebody out, and on to the next one.